All right, we're going on a quick test drive here. We have just under 50,000 miles. Now the first thing you're gonna see is all this craziness going on here. That's just in the camera. That is not actually live here in person. Car is a non-smoker, absolutely gorgeous paint. That's one of the best things about this car is that paint is incredible. Beautiful color. Shifts nice and smooth. Got the Alcantara headliner here on the pillar. Looks awesome. Car shifts nice and smooth, alignment feels good, really no complaints of drivability. Very, very nice. All right, we're gonna do a visual condition report. So we're looking for scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, any cosmetic imperfections that we can find. First thing to note, this paint is insane, absolutely gorgeous. No PPF on this car. You got some carbon bits on here. They look really good. Checking out the wheel. Pirelli Zeros, 275, 3520, a little bit of rash. You can see some kind of flaws on the finish. Date code 2021. Now just ignore that it has like the little bit of surface rust. It went through detail and then it is parked in here. It needs to be driven. So once it's driven, it'll clear all that off and it'll look a lot better. Overall in great condition. Got carbon here. Looks good. Carbon on the side mirrors. Little rock chip or something right there. A-pillar looks good. Full carbon on the roof. Dark window tint, gloss black trim surrounding. You do have some touch-up spots right there. If you can see that, some little scratches that have been touched up. The rest of that looks good. Got one chip right there as well. This paint looks good. Here on this wheel, a couple little chips, a little bit of rash on the edge. If you get super close, you're gonna see that. I'd say it's like some spider cracking in the finish. You can see the finish there. Gotta get up close for that as well. 285, 3520s. Got the gloss black surround with the carbon here and carbon down low. Typical rock impacts and things like that with the miles. If you get up close. The parking sensors, you do have little chips. A lot of them have been touched up. They look really good. They did a good job on that touch up. A couple larger chips. You're gonna have a few up there, but it's pretty minor. Headlight looks good. Carbon. Of course, you're gonna have the rock impacts there. That front end though is mean. Fender looks good. Checking out this wheel. Date code 2021 on the tire. Overall in good condition there. Got the carbon there. If you look at the very edge, you can see a little bit of delamination on the clear, kind of lifting just a hair. A-pillar looks nice. You do have a little chunk out of the rim right there, little rash, and it looks like it kind of bent it just a little bit. The rest of that looks good. Got the carbon on the lower side around the exhaust and here on the spoiler. Check out all that carbon, a couple little scuffs on it. You do have a gash right there. It does catch your nail. The rest of that looks good. All right, looking at the interior, non-smoker, really, really nice in here. Beautiful seats, got all the ambient lighting, carbon on the center there. Looks really good. Look at that door panel, nice and clean. That stitching looks good. All that ambient lighting looks nice. Very clean door panel. Looking at this trim, we do have little scuffs and scratches from getting in and out. A little bit of wear on that edge. Same here. Upper side though looks good. The rest of that looks nice. Here on the steering wheel, overall in good condition. A little bit of wear on the top side. 49,000 miles. Looks good. That looks nice. All those buttons are clean. Carbon looks really good. And you have the Alcantara headliner. Here on this door panel, upper section looks good. Grab handle is nice and clean. Looks awesome. Now you do have a lot of scuffs from getting in and out here. The rest of that looks good. Jambs are nice and clean. Looking at the seat, overall in great condition. You got the ambient lighting, looks good. I know it's kind of tough to see back here, but those seats look really nice. And then looking at the seat back here, overall looks good. And then looking at the engine bay, got all the carbon there, looks good. Now the flickering you see there, that's just in camera, that is not in person. Upper side of the dash, looks good. Speakers here, the ambient lighting in there. That looks super cool.